Hi guys, this is G from Healthy Financials. Happy New Year, happy new decade. Today is January 27, 2020. It's actually the first day that you can fill out your taxes. So I'm happy to actually to do this video. Just to wish you happy new year. Usually I always wish people always five things, which is love, health, joy, peace, and then money. So that's my wish for you guys. And like I said, today is January 27. It's the first day to actually to fill out your taxes. Another thing also is it's a new year. It's also a new decade. I was listening to somebody talking, and then it kind of like reminded me also, this is a new decade. It's a new year. So, I highly recommend to set up goal, for 2020, and then also set up goals for the entire decade. And basically, that will help you out. Okay, during the 20s, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, so on and so forth. And I have a couple of discipline I'm gonna give you guys in a little bit to actually to make this year better. Again, January 27 is the first day today to actually just start filing your taxes. So we'll be actually waiting for you guys, to send us your information. We'll be more than happy to fill out your personal taxes and your business taxes. In addition to, we added some additional service. I'm a mortgage broker as well. If you are in the market to actually to purchase a new property or refinance your existing property, we can definitely help you with that. And then the third service that we added is if you're a small business, you're looking for a loan, basically we can direct you to the right lender to actually to get you the loan for your small business. So those are the three services that we offer, mainly taxes and then the mortgage, and then finally, we'll direct you to get a small business loan. But I wanted to shoot this video because I think that I'm gonna give you guys three discipline for 2020 and then also for the entire decade in order to actually to make it successful. And you have to determine what is success on your end. But I think those three disciplines I'm gonna share with you guys, it's actually gonna help you for 2020 and then throughout the decade. And whatever your goal is, I really believe if you apply those techniques or those discipline, you're gonna succeed. The number one is you have to invest in yourself and your education. Whether you go to the traditional school route or you start listening more podcasts, YouTube, start reading more books. You have to educate yourself. We're living in this information age now, where basically information is bombarding us. And what it is you need to educate yourself, for this year and then for this new decade. So definitely education in yourself is number one. The second tip I wanted to share with you guys is basically having some daily health habits. And this one I'm kind of breaking out into two. Is first of all is habits, and then is your health. You want to make sure that you set up daily health habits. A habit can be something as walk every morning, or take the best supplement that you can for your body in order for you to have the energy to actually to do what you want to do. One example I can give you guys is now I'm starting to take some a salad fruit every morning. That's something that I wasn't doing before, but actually at the end of last year I started to take like a salad fruit every morning. And guess what, it set up the tone for the entire day. When you actually start with something green, with something that gives you energy. So I think and then also when we say habit, this cannot be something for every other day. You have to be more or less consistent with it every day, because as you guys probably know my story, it's kind of, if you don't have your health, you basically you have a big problem. So I highly recommend to have like daily health habits. It's not health habits. It has to be daily. It's a habit that you need to set up on a daily basis. So this way, this actually increases the odds for you to be successful at whatever that you want to do. And then the third discipline that I wanted to share with you guys is multiple stream of income. And that's one of the things that if you guys saw in the what I mentioned earlier, we started primarily as a tax business, and then eventually we added the mortgage, and then also helping small business get loan. I really believe that by having multiple stream of income, that will help, in good times and in bad times. So this way you can actually, survive. So this is something I personally have, integrated into my business, is to have those multiple stream of income, and I will encourage you to do the same. To have multiple stream of income. For instance, in my line of business, I'm in the financial industry, where I do taxes, and then also I do mortgages, right? I'm an enrolled agent, I'm a mortgage broker, and then now I can help small business get a loan. So I highly recommend, basically, to have multiple stream of income in this new year and this new decade. So to kind of like summarize, I highly recommend those three discipline. Basically, to have your best year for 2020 and then for the entire decade. First of all is educating yourself. Second of all is set up daily health habits, which is really important. And then third of all, have a multiple stream of income. So we look forward to hear from you guys. Best wishes for 2020. Best wishes for this decade. May God bless you. Thank you.